Hola guys, it's me, Señor Aiden Wilson. Yeah, I'm a boy, but I do not speak Spanish. I just learned those words. I know I'm a señor and a boy, and females are señoritas and girls. Yep. So I'm on the senior team. That means I'm a boy. So today, I do not speak Spanish at all. Well, I just learned those words. So I'll be showing you my drawbricks pig farm I made. Yeah, this is the drawbricks pig farm. Yeah, this is the drawbricks pig farm. I think you will like it. So, there's a lot of things in there. So I'll show you all the pigs in there. Are there so much pigs in there? There's so much pigs in there. Imagine if you had to drive all over those things. That would be serious. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Goodbye. Ding.